When I was a kid, I would do something stupid and blame it on my friends. Then my mom would say, if your friends jumped off a bridge, would you? This is the adult version of that, but in front of a judge for embezzlement. She says she didn't know it was wrong because her coworkers were doing it. It's such a stupid statement to say as an adult who should know right from wrong in this type of situation.
Ma'am, is there anything that you would like to say?
I made a mistake and I didn't mean to do what I did as far as like, I didn't know it was wrong, just put it that way. I didn't know what I was doing was as bad as it was. Just because there was other people there showing me how to get refunds and all that stuff, and they were doing the same thing, so I wasn't thinking.
They were stealing too?
If I may, Judge, there was other co-workers, according to Ms. Wills, that were doing the same thing, and they had encouraged her to also participate, Judge.
That's
And
nice.
she made a mistake, and obviously.
What if they,
Lapse in judgment.
so what if there's a bunch of you, they're going in and robbing banks? You're gonna let them convince you to do that too? Seriously?
No,
This is not appropriate.
it won't happen again, I promise.
Well, I know, but somebody entrusted you enough to hire you. And then you turn around and stole from them, and whoever these ringleaders are, I hope they get caught. To be perfectly candid with you, they're encouraging people to steal. What is becoming of this society? How much did you steal?
It was, they said it was $197.
Do you agree with that? I can either set a restitution hearing, or we can, or you want to agree with the 197. It's up to you. I can set a restitution hearing and have the people come unless you can tell me. Mr. Cayley, what your name?
Roger Taylor, is that right?
What'd you find out?
On this case, it looks like it's $42.80.
And there was something else for $46.79 on there. I'm not sure what.
There was two other cases. There was two other case numbers, complaint numbers, so I don't know what happened with those.
Have they been adjudicated? Have you been in court on any other cases so far?
Judge, they were all out of the same Myers. They were all out of here.
Well, I know, but did she get prosecuted on the other ones though?
I believe the agreement that we came to was part of the global settlement on this.
Oh, okay, so if those other cases were dismissed, then we still need the restitution.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, here it is, Judge. $47.69 as well.
So what is the total? You got 47.
$42.80 and $47.69.
And then there was the third transaction, Judge, I believe it was like 112.
So is 197 pretty accurate?
I believe so, Judge. I believe that may encompass the entirety of the amount.
Do you agree with that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, good enough. That's what I'm gonna order. That's what I was a little bit confused about. Did I let you finish? Is there something else you'd like to say?
Judge, just that Ms. Wills is currently working at a temp agency now, so she is trying to get back on her feet. She does have no prior criminal history besides these matters before you, Judge. She understands what she did is wrong. Obviously, she's remorseful for what she did. It was a lapse in judgment, Judge, and she listened to other people that were basically doing the same thing that she's here before you on. And now she wants to obviously abide by what the court sentences her to move on and put this behind her. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. Anything else you'd like to say, ma'am? Embezzlement is worse than theft to me because, like I said, somebody entrusted you. They hired you. They believed in you. And whoever these characters are, they're encouraging co-employees to start stealing from their employer. Really. 12 months probation. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. If you change your address, your place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. You're not to enter 26100 at Vreeland or any other Meijer store. You're not to have any contact with employees of the Flat Rock Meijer. You're to be printed and photographed at the Flat Rock Police Department by 1 p.m. today. I am taking this under 771.1. You're to serve 2 days of court work program, $35 a day, total 70, and 8 hours of community service. I'll give you until September 30 to complete your community service. That's at any nonprofit organization. But you have to have that done, and then they're going to schedule you 2 days on the court work program. Fines 100, costs 175, victims' rights fee $50, justice assessment $60, screening fee. So your fines and costs here amount to $385 with the screening fee plus $240 is $625 plus court work program fees is $695. Your total here amounts to $892. That includes restitution to Myers of $197. If you violate, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 90 days. You have 21 days to appeal, and you have 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal if you cannot afford one. Do you understand that?
Yes.
So I'm going to order you. I'm filling out a separate print order, Lisa. I'm going to have them go to the Flat Rock Police Department by 1 p.m.
Do I have to pay for that?
No,
Okay. So I say I don't get paid till tomorrow, so.
you have to go there by 1 p.m. today, and we're going to give you a review hearing date to come back and have your case dismissed, presuming that you qualify or that you are compliant. What do you have for me on that, Lisa? Should be, what, February? Or
Oh, I thought you said 12 months.
I did, thank you.
Okay, July 30th of 26 at 9 o'clock.
July 30 of 26 at 9 o'clock, okay?
Judge, Ms. Wills will require.
Yeah, how much can you pay today? Anything or not?
No, I don't get paid till tomorrow.
How much you get paid, how much can you put in weekly or bi-weekly?
I can do $50 a week is fine.
$50 weekly. And I'll start that beginning on Monday, which is the 11th, okay?
Okay.
If you ever don't have the money, no problem, call the court, we'll go on Zoom. I'll be glad to give you an extension, okay?
All right, thank you.